Sure has a very, very bright future in the sport. Who I know has a tremendous history in the sport because I was part of his Motorsport Hall of Fame American induction. Jerry Vance, right? You were. That's right. Nice to see you, sir.
And nice to see you too. Beautiful day in Chicago, huh?
When did you get into town? Well, Erica, they've got more than 100 wins, and they've got a... Both drivers crushing the 13th spot.
Got a little headwind today, Alan, so it's going to slow down just a little bit. We'll see how much, but it's a little from the other side of the track today instead of from the right side, so I don't know if that'll affect anybody here today. Nice to see her make a good clean run there.
Back to the shop, he's going to be trying to duplicate some of that and get the rest of the bikes up where his is right now.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a tough part though because the rider...
Goes 6.888 and even a 001.
Energy for Eric Andrews was the first person down here to congratulate you. A lot of respect. You always hear that unbelievable
win this. That's not very common with Erica in the other lane.
Now low ET of race.
And Eddie, you're getting close on his clutch now at 105.60 this time. Mickey.
Big problem standing between him and the winner, sort of.
Yes, he does. He does. Well, more than one, to be honest with you. I mean, this boy, I don't know. That's a tough gig right there, though.
Yeah, Ron Torno, though, he's a character. And he's out here. I mean, he means business. At 192, didn't get the run he needed out of the bike, and well, my dancing rat is now going to... Here comes L.E. Tonglin. Tonglin, a former champion of the category, returning here on the Vance and Hines. To close the throttle, 679, 198 miles an hour. Ellie might have got away with one there. Shocks.
Otherworldly. I don't know how I should describe it, Alan. I don't know if you remember, but at the first Gainesville race, I told you, he reminded me of somebody. I don't remember. Do you remember who I said that?
669.
Speaking of doing your thing.
With a 103 reaction time, that is low ET, or 103, excuse me, 60-foot time. That is low ET of the entire event. 6 up on the bike. Look at me, nobody can judge me. Exactly. But that's just...
It's a hard situation right here, right now. I mean, but I don't think Matt's going to do that. I think he's actually go pretty good right now.
Center racetrack real quick before we get into bikes.
Dallas Quinn's looking at the time slip here at the semifinals. What was that you were just saying?
Yeah, that was really tight. TJ got me yesterday in that bonus race. I don't seem to have very good luck in bonus races for some reason. But no, he got me 3 thou on the tree yesterday. I got him 3 thou on the tree, and we both, he got me yesterday, and I didn't have to wait too long to get some redemption. But TJ's a really, really tough competitor. He probably would beat everybody else out there. But we're going on to the next one. It's a good day for Red Torque Systems and TP Parts Direct, and got another Too Fast Too Tasty challenge. Let's go.
That's right, making it into semis gets you invited to Too Fast Too Tasty. Coming up for the next race. Looks like now they're ready to go.
Yeah, he had a little trouble there, and they're trying to wave him up, get him up there about that instead of thinking about this run, so that is a little bit of a problem. Poor Angie, she's sitting over there burning down going, let's go, let's go, let's go. So Hector's got to bump in here pretty quick.
Yeah, these bikes are air-cooled, and they're sealed. Slight advantage, Angie 6.860 to a 6.866 the semi-final.
Exactly the same. Both went 197 and some change. I mean,
Tools car, our bike running for Tim Kalungian, the old war team. It's enough. Oh man, 6.808 to Matt Smith, 6.812. Matt slowed down a little bit and paid for it. Chase was 12 on the. Is a spectator.
It is for me, and we.
Perfect. No, I never get it. Yeah, I know better than that.
yep. She's got them on right there. This is going to be a great drag race right here, you guys. 2 motorcycles.
For Ellie Tonklin, 198 miles an hour. Gadsden, you heard it, Terry. You didn't do what happened over there?
I don't know. It sounded almost like a throttle position sensor or something failed. Because you guys are really ripping them up right now. 3 more.
On his Revzilla. Module Suzuki on the left side, and all sportsmen semifinalists, you should be in the lane.
John's got to leave first here to have it home, I think.
I believe so. .671, 200 miles an hour, and a double 09 reaction time. That's just first.
Chase wins this round. I don't think he's getting it.
I think you're probably right. Although, and I mean no disrespect whatsoever.
Typically, as the Suzukis do, and she's got the top end, so if she...
Going to the final round. Kalungian and team pretty happy. Okay, far in once again, Galvin. Together for stock point.
Just in there, it's a thing that nice
fight. And from the time he... And he's still unstoppable. 671. 200 miles an hour. 679 for Chase at 197. 025 to 040 on the tree, advantage gauge.